component is dialog box pop-up window that is displayed on the top of the current page. So how to create a model in Bootstrap 5? So it's too much easy. So if you want to also create the Bootstrap model, then you have to watch this entire video. So first of all, you have to create a HTML, okay, HTML5, okay, HTML5. Okay, it's not working, maybe HTML_5. Okay, so just I am creating a button here. Then after that, in the button I am just creating a open modal. Okay, then after that, if I click in the run, so let me check what will happen. So now you can see here is one button it created. Then after that, I am creating a type here, button. Then after that, I am creating a class, and the class is btn minus primary. Okay, then after that, I am creating data minus bs minus toggle. It's called to modal. Then after that, I am creating data minus bs minus target. It's called to, I am creating has my model. Okay, so just you have to remember that you have to put a id here. Okay, so this is id. Okay, then after that, I'm creating the model. For that one, I'm just going to create a div here. Okay, div. So inside the div, I'm going to create another div. Okay, okay, so after that, for the first div, I'm going to give a class here. Okay, so that class is modal. Okay, and the id is my model. Okay, then after that, inside this div, I'm giving another class here. Okay, another class. Okay, and the class okay, so and the class is modal minus dialog. Okay, okay, so inside this div again, I'm going to create another div. Okay, then sorry, div and div. Then after that, inside this div, I'm going to give a class here. Okay, so I'm going to give a class, and the class is modal minus content. Okay, so now I have to create a modal header here. So I'm just going to create here. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to give a class here, and the class is modal minus header. Okay, so inside this model I can create anything. So I'm just creating h4. Okay, and I'm just creating that modal heading. Okay, then after that, I am just giving the class is here. Okay, so I can give here class is called to modal minus heading. Okay, okay, so after that, I have to create a button also. Okay, so I can easily create a button here, button. Okay, yeah, I am just creating a button. So inside this button, I am just giving. Okay, so I am just creating another class here. Okay, so first of all, I am just giving a type. Type is called to close. Type is called to type is called to button, and I am just creating a model. So that's why I have to give a class here. Okay, and the class should be uh, uh, class should be btn minus close. Okay, then after that, I am creating another thing here, data minus bs minus dismiss, and then after that I am just giving the class is modal. Okay, okay, then after that I'm just clicking here, and I'm clicking in the run. Okay, so if I click here, here is another button is created. Okay, okay, so now I'm going to create another div here again. Okay, so this is for the heading. Okay, this is for the modal header. Okay, so now after that I'm going to create a div here again. Okay, div. So this is for the okay, then after that I'm just creating a div here, and I'm just creating a class here, and the class is modal minus body. Okay, and I can create whatever I want. For example, modal, sorry, s4 and modal body. Okay, or whatever I want to create here I can create. So I am going to create modal body here. Okay, and then after that I have to create another div here. Okay, and for this div I need to give a class. That class is, okay, so I'm just giving a class. That class is modal minus footer. Okay, so inside the modal minus footer I can create different type of thing. Okay, so for example I'm just creating a button. Okay, button. So inside the button I am just writing close, and first of all I'm just going to give a type here, and the type is button, and I'm going to create a class, and class is btn minus danger. Okay, then after that I am just giving the data minus bs minus uh, data minus bs minus dismiss. It's called to, I'm just giving modal. Okay, like that. Okay, so if I click here in the open, so now we can see here is few things created. So after that I'm just going to in the bootstrap get bootstrap.com. Okay, then after that I'm just creating searching the boilerplate code here. So I'm just copying this one, I'm coming here, and after that I'm just creating, sorry, I'm just pasting here. Okay, yeah, then after that from here I'm just going to cut this one here, and inside this body I'm going to paste it here. Okay, now after that I'm going to click in the run. Okay, so now we can see here is a beautiful button created. If I click here, now we can see here my modal heading is also showing, and my modal body also showing. Okay, so if I click in here, the modal is closing. If I click in the close, so it is closing. So in this way you can create a beautiful modal pop-up. Okay, so this is one of the useful thing. So in this way you can create the modal component or a dialog box or pop-up window in the Bootstrap 5. Thank you so much.